You've asked and we delivered. You're back with Elliott. I've created a short summary of the most important changes that we've introduced in LiveWebinar. Stick around until the end of the video to see what we have improved in your favorite webinar software. We knew that improving the navigation of event scheduling was a priority. Now you can access all those settings from the Room and Events tab. You can customize that registration form, tracking information, and the style of webinar pages. You can even customize sounds such as turning the knock knock option on or off when entering a room. You can learn how to use the updated dashboard in the link in the description below. The most sought after update for 2022 was the ability to brand and fully customize your webinar pages. You can select from 5 types of webinar pages: registration pages, thank you pages, and to add your logo and colors or additional content that you need to make those webinar pages really pop. You can also create multiple page templates. This option is only available in paid plans. More information on that below. The classroom mode is quite powerful when you want to get more control over your audience. Your participants will be able to focus on what you have to say, as there won't be other participants to distract them. Real-time collaboration in a remote world is only a feature away. The website presenter feature is in a convenient content window of your webinar. This will be helpful and useful too. You can share and collaborate on Excel spreadsheets, a Miro board, or word wall exercises throughout your webinar. Check out the video below introducing Website Presenter and decide for yourself. We understand the importance of getting help when it's needed. That's why we've made it super easy to access all frequently asked questions and manuals from your profile in the LiveWebinar dashboard. If you find you aren't able to find the answer you're looking for, you can always ask our friendly support team. From now on, you can create a ticket and track the history of all the tickets you made in the past. Everything is stored in your profile for your convenience. Keep yourself updated with all the new exciting features that happen in LiveWebinar. Stay subscribed to the channel to be informed about upcoming events, new features, or improvements. Just like in our new notification center, click the bell on the top right-hand side of your profile to learn more. The most important information about new features, promotions, and educational materials will come right to your door. The list of the latest improvements is of course much larger, and I've only spoken about the most requested ones this year. If you like the video, why not help us by giving us a thumbs up? Until the next one, have a great day and happy live webinaring.